Bitcoin has been bullish since 2023. Well, its bullish run has come to an end. This is due to the COT bearish sentiment, which we are going to look at, and also the key deviation institution levels, which are on 15 all-time highs. So this is macro market effects. Welcome to my channel, where today we'll be discussing the Bitcoin sell opportunity, which is a long-term opportunity for those crypto traders, for those traders who are looking to hedge their portfolio. Well, this is a good time to sell the Bitcoin. Also, the crypto market is going on a very bearish scenario. So welcome to my channel once again. This is Micro Effects. So today we're going to discuss about Bitcoin. As you know, Bitcoin has been on a very bullish run since 2023. Since 2023, from 16,000, now it is at now it is 100,000. So as you see, this scenario has been going all over 2023, but now the scenario is going to change due to what is lying ahead. I know that a lot of people are looking for Bitcoin to go 120, 120K, 130K, but that will not happen due to, as I said earlier, the COT scenario shows a big bearish sentiment. Not only the COT scenario shows a big bearish sentiment, but also the key key institution levels. These key institution levels, whenever they are reached over the long run, they show that a big potential of downside. And also the Bitcoin has reached the 15 all-time high institution level. What does this mean? This 15 all-time high means that Bitcoin can never cross this area again. That's why you see Bitcoin has been consolidating throughout this area. As you see, when it has reached 105K, it came down and went again up to 112. It is still consolidating. And now the current price is at 104K. So that's what I'm saying. This is a Bitcoin scenario which is going to lead us to a downside movement, and our target is going to be around the 49,000, or can say 49K. This is going to be our main target. So let's look at the COT report. Well, currently the COT report, this is the Bitcoin future COT report, and you can see here that the large speculators. When I mean large speculators, I mean the big banks, and the large speculators is represented by the green line here, this green line here. So over over some period of time now, the large speculators have been reducing their position on gold. Mean that they are selling their positions on gold. Mean a lot of capital is going to be in the gold. As you see, a lot of capital is going to be sold. It's going to be in the Bitcoin. They're going to be selling Bitcoin. So what will this mean to the market? This will mean to the market that there's going to be a very big sell-off on the Bitcoin coming. So for those traders who are looking to make a profit money from this sell opportunity, here's the time to put your position on. I've seen that right now their position is at negative. It's at negative 800 contracts. So this shows there's a big opportunity of 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 a sale in the Bitcoin in the Bitcoin pair. And I know most people always say that cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is always an uptrend, but for now, it's a big opportunity of selling side. Yen is a very big opportunity. As you can see, here, large speculators are selling. You see, over the last week, they continue selling. They're below the zero. As I said earlier on my other videos, when large speculators are below the zeros, mean they're selling. Mean that they're taking the capital, they're selling the capital, which means that there's going to be a lot of liquidity in selling the Bitcoin, and this will also affect the market. That's what we see right now in the market. There's a big consolidation around here, guys. This price will never break around here, and you can see this it is in a two deviation level, which means it's a 96% chance of going down. So you look at the right now, the price action is at the two deviation levels, institution level, and you see now it's at 15 all-time high institution level, and you can look at the COT sentiment. It shows that the large speculators are selling the Bitcoin, meaning a lot of liquidity will be selling the Bitcoin. So if these large speculators, the big banks, the big hedge funds are selling the Bitcoin, and they're the ones who have got the large capital in the market, what does it mean to the price? It means the price will also follow its move. So that's to say there's a big opportunity of selling the Bitcoin, and I say that we're looking for for a total price to go to be around the 49, around the 49. This is the weekly time frame around the 49. So let's look very well at the daily time frame. Currently now the price of Bitcoin is at one hundred and, let's say, 103K. It's at 103K. This is where the current price of Bitcoin it is. 103K. It is here 103K, and you can see the prices keep on rejecting this area, guys. You see all this momentum going down. What led to this momentum? First of all, the COT sentiment, which shows that this is a bearish scenario. And the second thing, we're looking at this currently this price is at 15 all-time high institution level, meaning that this is going to cause a lot of bearish in the coming incoming bearish to the Bitcoin. The third thing, this price is at a key deviation levels around the two deviation level. What does it mean? This is has a 96% chance of this price going down. That's why I think this Bitcoin is a big opportunity of selling and I need you to take a good opportunity of this opportunity. You can look at the daily time frame, and also the daily time frame shows a clear scenario what is happening. Looking at the daily time frame is at a zigzag. You see what is happening at daily time frame, guys? You see what is happening? Price continue obeying the 15 all-time high. So price will never break this 15 all-time high. And below and above here there's a strong deviation level which is a 96% chance which shows that the Bitcoin is going to go down. As you can see, it came here last time, it obeyed, it went down. Then it came here retesting, guys. For those who are doing price action, I think you can understand me. But I'm more into facts. That's why I'm more into facts, I'm more into COT levels, I'm more into deviation levels. I do price action, but I do price action after I see the whole scenario. Price action plays the last part of my analysis. So you can see prices keep on rejecting this 15 all-time high institution level. When I mean I'm at all-time high, I mean this price, there's a big percentage of price to to go down in this position. That's what I said the lens. And how why did I say that this is a big scenario of going down? Look at also the COT guys. The large speculators are selling the Bitcoin currently. They're selling much capital is being invested in selling the Bitcoin, not buying the Bitcoin. It doesn't mean that this Bitcoin is not going, it will never go up. Bitcoin will go up, but trend guys. Can go up, can go down. But currently right now the current Bitcoin trend is sales. For those who are holding the Bitcoin, you can still hold them Bitcoin, but you can sell them you can sell them on the market like Bitcoin USD, Bitcoin futures. As you can see, this is a Bitcoin future contract. You can sell, you can keep on holding the Bitcoins, the actual Bitcoins you're holding in your wallets, but you diversify. It means when the price is going down, you benefit from it going down, but you can still have your Bitcoins, taking them all time high. And guys, when I mean about less speculators, I mean the big institutional funds like the BlackRock, Vanguard, Fidelity, State Street, Apollo. These people are shorting the Bitcoin. Also, what will it mean to the market? And likely, the big news of Bitcoin that BlackRock owns about 1% of Bitcoin all around the world. 1% of Bitcoin, that's a large amount of 1%. Mean that these people are controlling now the price of Bitcoin. So when they are selling this large amount and price will continue going down, this means will affect this scenario in Bitcoin. As you see what you see in Bitcoin here. You see Bitcoin is going down. You see Bitcoin is going down. So here's what we look for breakdown. Our breakdown. Let's take a quick look at the weekly. As you also know, I always look charts from the weekly time frame. See what happened here in 2020, in 2021, where price also reached an all-time high and price had speculators selling the Bitcoin, where Bitcoin went until to the 17 till to 17K, where it reached the 3 institution level deviation, whereby this is 100% chance price is going to reverse upward, price reverse upward from there till 2 years. So prices reached also the key deviation levels, also the key deviation levels and a 15 all-time high institution level. So this will likely pay out, as I'm telling you guys. This is a big opportunity for those who are looking to diversify their capital. This is a very big opportunity, guys. Keep holding your Bitcoin on your wallets. Don't sell them, but you want to sell them in the markets. You're going to enter in the future markets. You sell the Bitcoin. Those who are trading Bitcoin USD, the forex market. You sell the Bitcoin. Look for a good regulated brokers. For those who don't understand that, I mean regulated brokers. I'll keep the video on this link in the description to understand how to find a regulated broker to trade, to how to keep your capital. So let's go. Let's get back to the technical analysis, whereby I say right now current price is at 104. As you can see here, price is at 104. You see the momentum, see the rejection, this rejection. This is caused by what I've said here, the COT report, the key deviation areas, as I said before, the institution level, all these things lead to a scenario, lead to a big scenario of a sell position. So here is what we do, guys. I know a lot of people those who want to enter around this area, this is going to be a very good position. You can enter around this area. This is going to be a very good position. This is going to be a very good position if you can enter around this area. It's going to be a very good position if you can enter around this current price area. But for those who are seeking to wait, you can wait. You can wait price to come and break around the 93. If price come and break down around the 93, you can, when price come back and retest, this is going to be a very good position for you to enter. Let me take out the pen and see. Here's a very good position to enter because here it is directly at this price is directly at the 15 all-time high institution level, and it has a 96% to come down. That's why it's rejecting here. So for those who are looking for market entry prices, you can enter around here. For those who who have no large capital to to have this manipulation going around here, up and down to take some profit around from people continue buying. Because some people don't have a large capital, you might enter here and you might get out of the market. You have to wait for price to come and break around the 93, 93k. When price break 93k, also let's say 93,640. Yeah, when price comes back and break here, then you will re-enter your position here. All time to your first take profit is going to be the 71k. This is going to be a first take profit. But likely looking for a downside till the 49. This is going to be our main. This is going to be our main target from 104, 104k to 49. But currently right now, let's for those who have got a big large amount of capital, because I know traders, some don't have big capitals. You can Those who have big capital, you can enter around this market price because all this market manipulation going here. For those people continually buying because this what the traders will look left and know will look things like this. Saying the price came down here, it has formed this thing here, something like this. Previous previous low, then price will go up and it tests, but that will not happen. That's what say this big rejection. But so this if you've got a big capital, you can enter through the market price of here. But if your capital is not good, and I understand, wait for retracement, as I said earlier, 93, then our first take profit is going to be around 71, but our main take profit, guys, is 49k. This is going to be our main take profit here. When prices here, we're going to look at what the COT report says. We're going to look at the key deviation levels. We're going to look at the big sentiments. We're going to look at the execution levels to see what is going on. So for those who are looking to sell Bitcoin, this is a big opportunity to sell Bitcoin. Keep on holding Bitcoin in a while, suppose Bitcoin will continue going up. But for those who are looking to sell it right now to hedge against this downtrend, because while you're holding it, it's going down, you can benefit from the market going down, but you're still holding your Bitcoin. So this is the right opportunity to say you can hit around the key market price of 104, currently the market price, or you can wait for retracement around 93k and off you go. Our main take profit target is the 49, but you can take our first take profit target to the 71 and wait for retracement again till the 49k. So thank you for watching these videos and keep on liking my videos, subscribe, and I will keep the link on my video description to understand how to find a good trading platforms whereby they support your growth, because most of the trading platform doesn't support your growth. They're here just to take your money, but you must look for a regulated broker when you're looking to trade in the financial market. So thank you, and we'll be doing a lot of videos concerning the Bitcoin as it keeps on going down. So this is the first video of Bitcoin sell off, and we'll continue looking at it. And please watch my other videos, my weekly video I have posted on Monday concerning the weekly focus, forex focus, where I talked about the DXY, I talked about the USD, I talked about the crude oil. Please go and watch these videos, all of them, and the USDs are. Thank you and have a great week.